Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how to fix the issue when your network adapter is not showing in Device Manager. And now, let's get started. If your network adapter is not visible in Device Manager, the first step is to ensure it is properly recognized by your system. Open the Windows search bar and type Device Manager. Then select the application to open it. Once Device Manager is open, expand the category labeled Network Adapters. If you see your network adapter listed here, right-click on it and choose to update drivers. However, if the network adapter is not appearing at all, we need to try a different approach. With Device Manager still open, ensure you are viewing the Network Adapters section. Click on the action menu at the top, and then select Scan for hardware changes. This action prompts Windows to redetect any connected hardware. If scanning for hardware changes does not make your network adapter appear, it is possible that the hardware itself has encountered a failure. In such a scenario, the solution would be to replace the network adapter. You can search for network adapters on online retail platforms such as Amazon.com or any other e-commerce website you prefer. Browse through the available options and select a suitable replacement. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.